Okay, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, so look, you need a you add here humanoid description and the humanoid. Okay, so this humanoid description is a bunch of things. So as you can see, this is the head color. You can choose the color here. For example, you can even if you do okay, it's not gonna change. So what is not gonna change? So
I
you need.
can't see that. I can't see your left side.
Mm. Anyway, so press
Because
color.
the way you
Ah,
cropped it, I could see it. That's what it sounds like. Anyway.
do you see it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so listen. You can change the color here, but the problem is not gonna change. Is not you're not gonna see the change. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy the code I gave you. Delete this. You're gonna copy the code, then you're gonna apply it. Add n here if you don't see a humanoid description. Anyway, so you run it, then you see the change. Look, you see the change? I mean, of course, there's a lot of change. Hello?
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah.
So anyways, when you change something,
Yeah, but the robots changed so much that like I need to refigure out all this stuff.
yeah, but like because this humanoid description, this was default. This was all the default
Go
zero
to
zero 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 zero. The reg didn't change.
see?
It's listen,
No,
listen.
go to model. No, I know, but I want to see.
I don't have the thingy. It's fine. Listen. Just listen. Okay. So now you can scale it back by doing this. You can play with this value, this body type scale. You change it, then you run this code again. One. Oh, look, they changed. Then you're gonna go here and you're gonna do the same thing. Depth scale. You can change the depth to 3.
No, I know that. That's how I did. That's how I made the robots last time. I just changed certain breaks and then removed it. I think that's what broke it. But still.
Well, that's the problem. We need a human description. You need it. So, anyways, look at him. He's chunky.
Ew.
Chunky.
Ew.
Wait, why not add chunky, bro? Why not add chunky? Wait, add chunky robot in.
Because when you animate it, it doesn't look right. Look, try
No,
animate it.
it's actually look. It's actually gonna look fine. Look.
God.
Uh, where's the anime saves?
Just get an ID from the animation folder.
I can't be bothered.
Bro. Put 6, 7.
Let's get this thing. See?
I didn't see.
We need to slow it down a bit. This is way too fast. How do you slow down this?
That doesn't look good, I'm not gonna lie, because the limbs are overlapping.
Yeah, I know. I just gave you. Of course, because look at the width. It's so huge. Okay,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
anyways, that's an example. Just don't worry about it.
Why did you change the color? What
Bro, I'm just giving you an example. You need to change the colors back anyways. We need a humanoid description for. Anyways, fine, it's fine. Listen, just listen. Anyways, here you change the colors here. And here you change the thingy. The head scale, you can change the head scale. Look at it.
It's got some colors.
3, you can change the head scale. 3, 1.
But my
One.
problem is some of the robots, their body parts is meant to be invisible. What do I do with that?
You don't need. No, yeah, it's gonna be invisible.
Oh my gosh, what is that? Because look at the RAM.
It's the part. This has nothing to do with the part, by the way. Anyways, you play with this. Play with this. do 3, do 4. Just play with this, then you get your perfect robot. Yeah, this is your perfect robot. Anyways, you get the idea. Here you go.
I'm pretty sure. Have you tried adding accessories to the head?
Look, you can add accessories by getting the idea and copying it here. For example, if you want to add an accessory, this gets you have already back
I
accessories.
just want to see if the head shape it still takes the wrap, because I still don't think it would.
Yeah, it will take. It will take. Look. Where are your accessories? Assets, accessories, robot.
No, the head part, not accessories, not from those.
Well,
Head, a head
okay.
accessory.
Okay, let's just try it, please. But there is no head accessory anyways. And the head, this is how how they do headless. They don't go it through accessories. It's through this. It's through this. Where is it?
No, I've seen videos on that make it. No, what I'm
Oh
concerned
my
about
god.
is you said that
This.
you're going to go to.
This is the ID of the texture of the part or whatever. Anyway. What did you say?
My concern is we're gonna be letting them add any accessories, right? And this is supposed to kind of fix the head, not the head, the whole body adding attachments. But again, the head still, the wrap is still
How do you what?
The robot.
What?
The robot.
What do you mean the robot? What about the robot?
I can't find them.
They're on assets. Robots. Replicated storage assets robot.
Oh, okay. This is the ask how you want. Stop.
Anyway.
It didn't work.
Why it didn't work?
Why it didn't? Am I doing this wrong?
Hmm? What did you say?
Am I doing this wrong?
What's that?
The script you told me to use.
What script? Script is not lines, only has 3 lines.
Yeah, that's 3 lines.
Oh, okay. Let me see the output.
But why? It's under new and it's under art.
No, it's not. It's not. I know for sure. That script is right, so you have to find it.
Workspace.neurobots.arc. See?
Let me see. I don't like C. Bro. I know for sure that's a
Workspace?
thing.
Neurobot? Arclight.
Okay, where's the humanoid description then?
Exactly, it's not there. Oh, do I need to add it manually?
Yeah, of course.
Ah.
Anyways, remove the desk dot.
No, it just looks so cute.
Yeah, but you have to actually if you find if you find the ratio, you can only do it for one, and we can literally do it for everything else. So
I don't get it. Like, but how do I find the ratio?
so basically, you need you need to get it to the original how it looked like originally, without with changing only the humanoid description. Okay.
They're all different.
To be honest, I think this humanoid description is a bit tricky. Not gonna lie, I think we should not touch it. Actually, yo, Jitsu. Don't touch it. I'm gonna add it other way because
So we're just gonna have to.
no. I have another way. It's fine. As for that, I think we should do it for other new robots. This is gonna just take us so much time. The potential is not that crazy. It's not that insane. Okay, it's fine. Let's work on VFX.
Get this on my screen. Hello? Where did my constellations go?
Oh, the one that's got deleted on the one. When I was playing with it, I destroyed it.
You.
Rank it back. I'm gonna use it actually.
You.
Yeah, bro, why delete it? Go. Don't delete it.
I'm inserting the thing now.
Fast, bro. Do I have? Good job.
Faster, I swear.
Where is Zenito? Don't delete it. Bring it back.
Why?
Control Z because he deleted the Zenito model as well.
You need to let me make you. Where is it? It's not working. Oh. No wonder. What? Bro, you know the thing that suggests you what variables to add to the script?
Yeah.
It'll just suggest to me the word that I want to pick, and I click tab to accept it, and it'll give me a completely different word.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, look. You just copy the
I
script.
copied it. I did.
And
then
then
I put
press
in
on the command bar. Then do you want constellation? Then constellation half tone. Then you control C and
I
you
don't
do.
want half tone. Oh wait, yeah, I do. I did do it though.
It doesn't work. Hello, okay.
Yeah. See?
Hello, okay, leg. Could you please help me? Oh, what do you need help with? Okay, listen. Listen. What you're gonna do is control C, control V, command bar. Then it's pretty simple. Okay, let's see. Emit all. Oh, I forgot to give you the function. You have to use the function way. Rarity handler, break system. I want help. Oh, my sound started working. Oh yeah, I was muted. I want help with the kill all button on my OB game that costs Robux. Okay, so which part do you find hard? Like the linking, the clicking to show the prompt of the Roblox, or actually like giving them the functionality of killing all? Okay, let's look. Sorry. So you do emit all, then you do the part that you want. Here, part that has VFX, then you do true. Okay. Now all you have to change is change this part, and then that part is change this part to whatever effect you want. Okay. So Control C, Control V. Oh wait, I typed this. Then Control C, Control V. Then let's see. Okay, emit all. Run it.
Thanks.
It worked. Where is it?
That's fine.
Damn, bro, brought it all the way back there. Come on, give it back. Okay, I'm gonna actually now start to working on the hitbox system. So when the sword is gonna slash someone, it's gonna let's play the constellation effect. Okay, like when I start the server with 2 players, it don't kill you. That costs trouble. Like when I start the server with 2 players, it doesn't kill you. So if there's only 2 players in the game, it doesn't work. Okay, bro. Bro, the stream is too interesting. Made you bring your main account. Damn. Like if how many? A test server. Like when I start, it doesn't matter how many. Okay, look. Listen. I'm gonna give you a very simplistic script. I'm gonna type a very simplistic script, okay? That should give you an idea of how to do it. Okay. Game, get service, marketplace service, I think. Local XD. Let's see that this server MS. So MS, this should be on. So is it a it's a developer product, so it has to be like this. Wait, I forgot. MS. No, I forgot. Where's my marketplace service? Let me see. Old. Class services, monetization. You know why? Because to be honest, the replicates is first. Right now I'm actually defeating its purpose. But to be honest, it's so easy using replicated first. I don't have to do wait for child. And it's so annoying to make my code like wait for child this, wait for child that. So I put them on replicates first. So replicates first gives you like the ability to do like this rs shared to do this instead of doing rs wait for child this wait for child. it's just for but it's actually kinda you should not do that, to be honest. Okay, let me see. So this is my monetization service. Okay, yeah, process receipt, then process receipt. Okay, let me see. Look, so this is how you do it. I'm gonna retype it. do you realize something here, or do you know anything okay, or do I have to do from the beginning? Do you know how like process receipt works? Local ms ping get service. No, you don't have to type everything. You don't have to type it. Marketplace service. You're new. Okay, good. Okay, look. Actually, I need it because I forget it. So basically, this is you assign a function to this. So the processor receipt is a variable, or is a callback that's gonna execute every time someone press the prompt to buy something with Roblox. Okay, so think of this like this is gonna execute whenever someone presses buy with Roblox. Okay, presses buy. Okay, so this function is gonna give you two parameters: a receipt. Okay, it's gonna give you a receipt. This receipt, what's gonna have? It's gonna have this. It's gonna have this. It's gonna have the user ID, the one who actually like, the one who clicked this. Okay, the one who clicked the buy. It's gonna have the product ID, which product the guy wanted to buy. So on the prompt, when there is a prompt, it's gonna show the developer product that you want, that the player wants to buy, right? So for in your case, it's gonna show kill all, right? And this is the purchase ID. The purchase ID is very unique. You have to save this. You have to save this. Roblox will not save this for you. So it's good to save this because you know like which player bought which thing. Just save it like for 40 days and it doesn't matter. Okay. Okay. So now. So okay, this is my code. So okay. So now you have to get a handler. What is a handler? Let's make it simplistic. Okay. So for you to actually give like the functionality, can you like write all in a new script so I can take a screenshot? I'm not writing this so you can copy it. I'm writing this so you can learn. I'm gonna write very simple. I'm not gonna give you the whole code. Okay. I'm gonna just show you how. So you can do it in yourself because I don't know how your game works. Okay, function kill all. Okay, let's say that you have a function that takes kill all. And for player character break joins, I guess. Okay, so this is the function that's gonna execute emoticon. Wait, isn't emoticon? I think I know. Aren't those the people who are into lollies? Damn, bro. Anyway, I think I know that. Okay, anyways, hello, bro. Okay, so you have this function. This function is the one that's gonna execute kill all. I don't know how you implement it. Let's just think of it simplistically as this. Okay, kill all. So this function is. Oh, good, very good. This is on a server script. This has to be on a server script, okay? This has to be on a server script. Good job. Good question, yeah. Anyways, so you have a map where you're gonna have here the product's ID, for example, 9899 blah blah blah, and it's gonna map into a function that's gonna map into kill all, okay? So this product's ID will map to this. Because you're gonna have a lot of developer products. You don't want all of them to give the same functionality, right? So this is the developer product ID for the kill all. You're gonna copy it from your I think you know, from studio or something. I don't know. Anyways, so you get the map of the product ID. Because this function is gonna get called for any product ID, for any product ID, okay? So you go local handler, then do this, then do handler give, then return. This is very simplistic, and you should not do it like this. It's very simplistic because you have to actually check if first you have to, this function has to be successful. Okay, It has to be successful. So what you do is local equal status, then reason, okay, equal equal, then call that function, okay, handler. Okay, if this function failed for some reason, this function failed, you have to do it. This is important because otherwise you're gonna you're gonna take people's money even if they don't pay, and they're gonna, that's problematic, right? Anyways, if not reason, okay, it's not, if reason equal false, then no, wait, if status equal false, then one error reason, the return enum purchase product purchase decision not processed yet. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so you're gonna return this. So this tells Roblox, yo bro, this the receipt, the buying did not work. Okay, don't take his Roblox, please. So here you do product purchase, what is it? Enum products purchase decision purchase granted, and you only return this if it worked, if it worked in a good way. Okay, so if status, then so this function will execute and it will return this status. This status means if the function executed correctly and successfully, it's gonna return his status true. If it did not, it's gonna return status false with a reason here. It's gonna tell you why it did fail for any reason. Okay, blah blah blah. So imagine if we have here error, hello, I failed. So this function is gonna fail. Okay, it's gonna fail. It's gonna return here false. It's gonna return the reason, which is this. The reason is this. Hello, I failed, and you're gonna do this. Blah blah blah. Okay, this is the main function. And if you want to do something that's actually like very good, which you should do because you're dealing with people money here, so you would have to make sure that the player got the item. Okay, well actually for your case you don't need to do that, because this function, you just have to make sure that this function executes successfully. But if you had some like a player needs to buy an item and that item needs to be saved, you have to make sure that the item saved. Okay, that's another story also, but for you this will work. Okay, this literally works. Just take a screenshot of this and this will work. Okay, anyways, is the guy still here? Anyways, okay, so let me work on hitbox system. This is where the fun is gonna start. The hitbox system. Okay, scroll up. No, you don't really need to see the red. Okay, bro. This code is it good now? This code is only good if you actually like if you're gonna save it. Okay, well actually yeah, this code will not work because you need to use a promise library, but it's fine. Okay, just this will work for your specific code case and work. Oh, kill all, I don't know if this is yeah, kill all, I don't know if this is actually work. I don't know if this work. I never tried actually kill all. Maybe this work. I don't know. Check, bro. But anyway, just make sure that kill all will execute successfully. Okay. Anyways, let's see. Back to. I'm also making a game. Game's not called. Yeah, you need to that because the processing of the receipts of the purchases need to be on the server. Okay, wait. I'm also making a game called like Forsaken. That's such a cool game. Even though I don't like the name. If it's like Forsaken, then yeah. How is the progress though? How is the progress? Should I put that code in local script on my UI? Or okay, yeah, you're right. So now you need to do something in order to show, to prompt the player to buy, right? Okay, let's do that as well. Local script. Join the Discord, guys. Join Discord. Okay, let's see. So now you're gonna have. Let's say you have a button, okay? Let's make a button, okay? Here. I'm so lazy that I need to look for starter GUI. Starter GUI. Okay. Let's make a button. Text button, okay? Let's name it. Yeah, sorry. Kill all, okay? Let's name it Kill all button. Okay, very good. So now you're gonna do. You need the players, right? Local pass. Game get service players. You need the players. Then you need the local player. And pass. Local player. Yo, where is this local script? I don't know. bro, I'm gonna delete it, bro. Just let be. You're talking about someone who literally put starter GUI on the search in order to select your starter GUI. I'm so lazy, man. Anyways, local player. You need the player GUI. I mean, do I need to do wait? I don't think you need to do wait for child, but you need to do wait for child on main GUI. So you need to do wait for child. You need basically a reference to the button. Kill all button. Now we have kill button in this variable, okay? So kill button activated. Do activate. Don't do mouse button click. Why? Because activated, it provides for you cross-platform support. Even someone doesn't have a mouse, someone doesn't have a console. So if you do mouse button, I think it's only gonna show up for PC. I don't know for sure, but activate. Just use activate better, okay? So this signal is gonna fire when it's gonna call this function whenever the button is activated, okay? So whenever the button is activated, we need the prompt as well. We need here marketplace service, I think. MS, then MS prompt. No, wait. Prompt purchase. Prompt products purchase. Is it this? I don't remember. Okay, yeah, it's this. So the player is local player, and the product ID. You need to give him the product ID, which is I don't know. And this will prompt the player. Whenever the button is activated, it will prompt the player. Please buy this, please, bro. Okay. Very good. That's it. I think this would work. Try it. If it doesn't work, let me know. That's it, bro. It's all simple. Okay, where is that script? I need to delete it. Anyways. Okay, let's create the hitbox system. Okay, now the fun is gonna start. Wait, let's delete this. But I'm so after that for the server or my button. But I'm so after so. Is that for the service? Oh no, that's a local script. because the server should not care about your buttons. I don't think he even knows. I think he knows about your buttons, but he should not care about the buttons. Okay, don't ever let the server care about the UI of the client. So you put that on a local script, on starter player scripts if you want. Okay. By the way, you can find the product ID by going to the create. Yeah. Good job. Yeah, but that will only work for product IDs, for developer products, not game passes. Game passes, there is another way to do it, another function. Anyways. Oh my god, I changed the needs. Yeah, there is the game pass. You need another way to do things with the game passes, because the game passes are different. Anyways, require local RS game get service replicated. Did we put it on replicated first, right? Yeah, we did. If it's first, then we need the effects or VFX. I forgot, bro. Libs on libs. Libs. Inzonito. Okay, very good. I know how to make a loading screen, but it's really weird. What's happened to it? Okay, as you can see, we need to make an effect as soon as the animation starts, and the animation is so fast we can't see it. Wait. What's weird with the loading screen? Wait, let me see. Animations. There was one time I hate loading screens. There was one time I spent half of the development time on loading screens. Then I realized, what the fuck am I doing, bro? Bro, I should be caring about the game, not the loading screen. From now on, I never touch loading screen again. It's just like UI script, which is just one really long wait for script, which waits for everything in the game, then makes the screen invisible. Actually, yeah, that's what you should do. That's very simple. That's very good. It works. Very simple. You can literally fake it. You don't have to do you don't actually have to track the assets and track which in. You don't have to. Just literally fake it, like tell me over. Yeah, I'm loading, or just make a pre. That's much better. Wait, this last time I need to see the local. I deleted, bro. I deleted. Come on, you have to look for it. Come on. You just have to do look. You just have to do the button. Look, you get a reference to the button activated. Okay, then connect, then function, then do ms the marketplace service. Then you do prompt product purchase. Then you do player and you do product ID. Okay, that's it. You got this, bro. Come on, you need to do it yourself so you can remember it. I will never be alive with you again. That's what my dad tells me. I need to learn. I'm not gonna be alive for you every time. Anyways. Okay, so let's see. What we were going to do? Well, the animation was too fast. Animation was too fast. So we have the game team, okay? I've never seen things inside the scripts before. There is this, but I don't really like putting instances inside scripts. Like the way that you drag stuff inside the script. This? Wait, you talk about these animations? Or like doing this? Like to find under the script. Okay. So the speed here should be... Let's make the speed 0.8 so we can see it. Actually, let's make it 0.5. Actually, make it 0.2. Okay. Okay. So this is the attack. Okay. So here, when the swords, when the our no, like under the local script. Oh. Oh, you mean, oh, I think you mean on replicated first. Oh, because so it's better to do one local script to do the entry point. It's called, it's called one entry point design pattern. So that helps you, because when you do multiple scripts, multiple local scripts or multiple server scripts, you don't really know which one would execute first. So you have a race condition. You don't know which, for example, if you need, like, for example, if you need let's say you made a script that will make the inventory, then another script somewhere need access, you need access to that inventory. That scripts need to make sure that the inventory exists, so he had to wait for, so it's like kinda, yeah, not gonna, you should make an idle stance because cool, yeah, of course. I'm still kinda new to animation, so if you know something about, if you know stuff about like how do different animations interact with each other. For example, as you can see, when there's animation of attack, I don't like how it stops the animation of running, and it's not, look at the hand. I don't like how it stops animation of the running. It looks scuffed. If you know that, I would appreciate it if you like, if you help me. Anyways, let's work with the hitbox. So the hitbox would start when the player faces the other way. Actually, we can do the hitbox even you can hit people behind you. But for now, let's not do that. Let's just start simpler. If we make it if we make the hitbox system, it's gonna work for anything. Okay, so now let's get an effect. Give me the style. Where is the stanchiation effect? Oh. Design priority with tags, and I think action is the highest. Yeah, I think, yeah, that's what my coworker said, and it works. But one of the problem is like combining them. The problem with the priority is the highest, it overwrites the other animation, so even if you run, it's not gonna show till the other animation finishes, which is bad. And when you animate the checkboxes, oh, there's a checkboxes next to the limbs. Which checkboxes? Okay, now the parent should be oh, use a plugin. Which plugin do you use? Is it free? local. We're gonna do something very disgusting, but we have to do it anyways. It's called Legacy Animator. Is it free? Local. Okay, let's do. We're gonna do something very disgusting, but let's just do it anyways, in order to make things work. Just to see the prototype. It's really good. Okay, thank you, bro. I'll make sure to tell my coworker that. Legacy Animator. Thank you. Okay. Let's see. Local attachments. Yeah, attachment workspace. Workspace. So we have to get the instance. Tool instance. Which is okay. Let's see. Wait, there is no way it's gonna resist my progress. Okay, it didn't. How do you make a tool hold good? Because I have a tool on server which is a knife, which is given to you if you're killer, but if you hold it upside down, how do you upside down? Oh, yeah. So basically, well, I'll show you. Wait, so show you. So as you can see, this tool has something called grip on the properties. Grip. So this grip determines the position and the orientation of the grip. I will show you how in game, how when you change this, you're gonna change a bunch of things. Then you're gonna save it. Okay. So I will show you this in game after I do this. So there is a sword. We have a sword here. What did I want to do anyways, bro? No way, I forgot. Where's the attachment? Okay, we need a way. Okay, so for now, just gonna make things simpler. Okay, we're gonna make sure attachment. Let's call him FX or hit box attach. So okay, look. So now we're gonna make whenever you hit, effects will become here. So for now we'll make it simpler. So we are prototyping. Whenever you prototype, don't over engineer stuff. Just make it work. So let's see. So we're gonna make it work. Then later we're gonna make it even better when you actually like at the position where you hit the player, and we make it feel good. Anyways, let me show you how to do the grip again. Let me finish this. Resort hitbox attachment. Let's add it to the pipeline. Let's register our system. Then let's add systems, hitbox system. Okay, let's see. Okay, look. So you come, you play, so you can see how it looks. So you go to your character, cloud. You go to the tool. Are you here? Emoticon. Then you change the grip. You change the grip. For example, you change the position, it's gonna disappear. I'm joking, it should not disappear. Wait, what's happening? I think I moved this a bit to let's move it upwards. Let's move it that's not up because I changed the orientation. Anyways, as you can see, the orientation was 0. So you change the orientation to 90 and it's gonna change. Do you see? If you want to change the, you see 0, so you can, so if you want to change the thingy, you do, if you want to make it upwards, 5, I mean downwards, 5. You see, it changed the position and stuff. Anyways, let's hold this from the 0. Okay, so let's hold this from -3, -3. Yeah, so you can play with this a bit till you find your actual, what do you want. Okay, anyways, let's make the effect work. Okay, now we're gonna enter an area of cool stuff. What's happening? Why did not work? Expression. Oh my god. Headbox system. What did I do? Well, that's good to hear. Okay, let's see. So when it reaches this position, it's gonna.
Hello?
Hello?
Look at this. I'm literally getting entranced.
You're getting what?
Entranced. Look at my screen.
Okay, let me see. Oh my god! Did you make that?
No, I I'm inspecting it because it looks really good, right?
It looks insanely good.
Yeah, I'm trying to understand how they made it.
They made it through, as you can see, there is a mid delay and look at the properties. Do you see the properties? Look at the properties.
No, I know. I know. That's why I'm looking at it.
You know, but isn't that too complex for now? Do you want me to do something? If you change the slowness, make them all slow. Change the slowness. Delay everything by like 5 seconds, then you're gonna actually understand the order of things. You're gonna actually see that.
There is actually nothing delay on this. It's just how they are. Because this is just through particle emitter. Look, there's no script or anything. It's just particles.
Okay.
You can add delay by doing transparency. So at the start of the emitter, it's not visible. Then it becomes visible, and it disappears again.
No, I mean if you get it, that's good. Let's see.
Oh, it's hurting my eyes though.
Yeah, I think it's supposed to be like one-time attack.
No, it's not an attack. It's actually like a portal thingy. So I was thinking doing something like this for teleports, so it just appears on the bottom instead of just disappearing. And then when they go back to their home base, it's at the bottom until they land on. Because last time we did the home TP, they were at this air and then they drop, right?
Yeah. I think that's too much for a TP though. Just learn for now. Don't try to implement it in Prime. Just learn it. Okay, let's disable the let's disable the conveyor in order for us to actually work with this hitbox system. Now I'm actually excited. If we make this work, it's gonna be insane. Oh, it did not find it. Why it did not find it? That's why. Effects system. Legacy animation editor. Okay. Okay, legacy animation editor. Let me type it somewhere. Legacy animation editor. Okay, good. Okay, let's name it cool effect. Okay, look. This is gonna be crazy, not gonna lie, look. Why it didn't work? Oh, I know why. I know why. I know why. There's the asset ID for the plugin. Where do I do the asset ID? Wait, how did they do attachment? Delete. What's he playing? Oh my god! Did you see that? Anyways, the animation is... We should not... Let's give him lifetime of 1 second, or actually let's give him 1.5 second of a lifetime. Okay, what the so basically let's improve the animation speed. Let's make it 0.8. 0.8. Okay, now let's watch it. Okay, so we're gonna attack. W. Wow, why is it not destroying? It should be destroying. Oh, I did not change the speed. Okay, it's cool now. It should get destroyed though, that's the problem. Oh, I know why. It doesn't even reach this. nice. It reaches this position, then it stops. That's so cool. No, keep this, it's this. And one of the huge problem is, one of the huge problems, it's very huge, it's the attachment does not follow. I mean, it's good if someone's standing, but if someone is moving, yeah. Let's get it at that position. Okay, that's enough. I'm gonna be right back.